You need to hear this if you're looking to boost your confidence and performance in the bedroom. Jamaican Black Stone is here to help. Imagine feeling confident, energized, and ready to take on anything. That's what Jamaican Black Stone can do for you. Packed with natural ingredients, this powerful solution is designed to enhance your sexual performance and satisfaction. No more worrying about letting your partner down. With Jamaican Black Stone, you'll experience increased stamina, heightened sensitivity, and greater control. It's like unlocking a new level of intimacy and pleasure. Why choose Jamaican Black Stone? It's simple. It's natural, effective, and trusted by thousands. Unlike other products, Jamaican Black Stone works with your body, not against it. No harsh chemicals, no scary side effects, just pure, powerful results. And the best part? It's easy to use. Just apply a small amount and you're good to go. Whether you're looking to reignite the spark or simply feel more confident, Jamaican Black Stone is your go-to solution. Don't wait another day to transform your experience. Join the countless individuals who have already discovered the benefits of Jamaican Black Stone. It's time to take control of your performance and satisfaction. Ready to boost your confidence and performance? Head over to www.jamaicanblackstone.com and get started today. Remember, a more fulfilling, intimate life is just a click away. Buy now, www.jamaicanblackstone.com.